They may only be less than a half-inch long, but the damage termites do is exponentially greater. We're talking in the billions. Whether you've seen the evidence or want to prevent those pests from eating you out of your home, listen up, because Designing Spaces is on the case.
My name is Sylvia Kenmere. I'm the Western Technical Representative for BASF. Each year, termites cause billions of dollars in damages often not covered by homeowners insurance. Some of the early signs of termites are the winged termites, which are the reproductives, or you might see mud tubes going from the ground up to the structure by the foundation.
The Matthews family has a general pest control contract for quarterly service, and their PMP suggested termidorhome.com and trolonahome.com for termite education and info about the products.
It was pretty difficult to purchase our property. We purchased it at the height of the market. We're first-time home buyers, so now that we're here, we're really just wanting to do everything we can to protect it. When we purchased the house, we did not notice any sort of termite damage or anything else wrong. We really just wanted to be proactive about termite control. Well, our pest control technician already provides services that protect us from ants, spiders, and other common pests. We weren't aware that termites could be a threat until he sent us links to a couple of consumer websites that were very helpful.
It is important to work with a qualified licensed pest professional because we are trained in termite biology and behavior to properly identify, prevent, and responsibly treat any termite problems. After the Matthews learned about termites and termite solutions by doing online research, they decided to reach out to us and have us come out and do a thorough inspection of their property.
Annual termite inspections are a great way to protect your home so that you know the early signs of when you might have possible termite damage. And so by finding it early, you're able to have options for control. During an inspection, a licensed pest control professional will come out and do a thorough inspection looking for all the areas that we can find termites, not only on the outside of the structure, but also on the inside of the structure where there may be moisture contact. There are a couple of treatment options that you can do when you have subterranean termites. There is the liquid treatment, which is a liquid treatment applied around the foundation of the structure. And then there's also bait stations that you can apply where you put a bait inside a station and the termites feed on the station.
Well, we really weren't sure what to expect, but after the inspection, Ray walked us through exactly what he did around the outside of our house. He made it very easy for us to understand, but unfortunately, we found out that we do have termites on the property.
After discussing the treatment options with Mr. Matthews, we have decided that Termidor HE, high efficiency termiticide, is the best option based on the findings from our inspection this morning.
BASF is a global leader in innovations. We provide pest management professionals with best-in-class solutions and technical support. We also take stewardship very seriously to meet high sustainability standards of today's society. Termidor has protected homes from termites for more than 20 years. It has reduced the need for callbacks from approximately 1 in 4 homes to less than 1%. We created the standard for termite control. Termidor HE, high efficiency termiticide, is a specialized insecticide that works on the termite's nervous system and through contact can be transferred to other nestmates. It will be applied around the structure by a licensed pest management professional.
When used according to the EPA-approved label, there is significantly reduced risk for accidental exposure to humans, pets, and the environment.
When we learned that Termidor has protected over 10 million homes in the U.S., we knew that it was the right choice for us, and that gives us peace of mind.
Another option for termite control is our Trelona ATBS annual bait stations. This is a bait station with a bait that are placed below ground around the structure. Termites feed on the bait and take it back to the nestmate to feed the other termites in the colony. You only have to check these bait stations once a year.
Mr. Matthews, you now have long-term protection against termites. We'll be back next year for your annual inspection, but in the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to give us a call.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
BASF pest control products are amazing. That's why they're not only used at homes, but also they are used to protect and preserve historical buildings, churches, museums, and other structures throughout the United States.
To learn more about how to keep your home safe from termites, visit termidorhome.com or trolonahome.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.